Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video, as you saw my thumbnail, I will be helping you how you can win these goodies, that is GFG bag and t-shirt. So here you can see this bag and t-shirt. Now let's get started, and I will be help you to how to win these from Geeks for Geeks. So let's move to my computer screen. So here you can see you have to search on Google on Geeks for Geeks PDOT challenge. Basically, in this challenge, you have to solve daily questions on Geeks for Geeks. As it is an DSA based, data structure based, so you have to understand all the basic concept first. So you can see the problem of the day. You have to create the account in Geeks for Geeks, or you can simply log in with Google ID. So you can see here is my January month. All the daily tasks I have done from January, February, so on and so forth. So you have to solve this daily. If you regularly do, you will get an 8 geekbits for this reward, and you can see my score points as well. So you have to solve this problem, and here is the level: easy, hard, medium, or also company tag, and which tag has already provided. So let's solve one for you, as I am helping for you how to solve this. Basically, you have to build the logic, you have to read the question first, and then you have to understand what concept it is. So here is the question, and I am solving the easy one because it will be, if I solve another hard question for this today, it will my time consuming. So now here is the tags and everything. You can change the language also. So here is Python. I will be solve for Python today. Basically, I done with Python and Java as well. So you can, after writing the code, you can submit it here as well to check whether your code is working or not. So now let's do this. So if I would show, I didn't solve my submission. I didn't submit this any solution yet. And here is the editorial. If you wish, you could check the answer as well. So here as the all submission that others have solving and submitting this problem. Now let's read the question. I will trying to solve this problem. Now let's see. So here is the some tags and topic tags as well, company tag and topic tag. It will be help to understand which company has asked this and which topic has been asked for the interview type. So you can see this. Now let's start the solving the problem. Try to solve this question. I will increase the speed of this video. Now let's see.
A few moments later.
So now let's check. I have done the returning with this code. Now let's check, and it is running, evaluating, and yes, the code completion is done. And here is the custom input. You can check your code whether it is suited or not with the custom input. Now let's submit the answer, and it's processing the result. And yes, my problem solved successfully as I attempted the one. You can check all the details here, and here is my score, 630 point. It doesn't matter anymore because the main thing is that your geekbits when you withdraw it. So now let's check here. Yes, my code is submitted, and you can check it later also for study purpose, as this my submission is taken. If we see here, as it is showing 0 gigs, basically I didn't solve today's solution, today's question problem. Basically it's a hard, and it is more time consuming than the easy one. So with the developer mindset, I will do some magic here. If you guessed, then comment it, and afterwards you will see is the geek points came, and after then I have redeemed this like this. And from this page you can select your gifts what you want. Here is the main offline 3 gifts: t-shirt, bags and hoodie. You can claim it from here. Just you have to fill the form and address, and that's it. Here you can see all my geekbits I have received from it. Here is a whole length of the list that I received. It's a long process, but yes, you will learn something new every day, and that's it. And now let's move to my unboxing of these goodies. do leave a comment below if you like to do this challenge POTD, and if you would, how many geekbits would you have to collect, and which swags do you collect from the store and why? Do let me know.